So there were three construction workers, a brunette, a red hair guy, and a blonde. And they're all on lunch one day, and the brunette goes, he opens his lunchbox and it's peanut butter jelly. And he goes, oh my god, if I get another one, I'm jumping off this skyscraper. They're working on a skyscraper. So the red haired guy, he opens his lunchbox and it's peanut butter and jelly. He says the same thing as the brunette guy does. And then the blonde opens his peanut butter and jelly. And he's like, oh, I'm going to jump off too, if I get another one. So, the next day, they're all like, tired, and they all open their lunchbox, and the brunette, he opens his and he sees the peanut butter and jelly and he jumps. The red hair guy, he opens it, his lunchbox, and sees the peanut butter and jelly too. He got one, so he jumped. The blonde, same exact thing, right? He jumped. So a week later, they're at the funeral, and all three of their wives are there. Their brunette guy's wife's like, oh my god, why'd I have to pack that? Why can't I pack something else? So, the red-haired guy's wife is like, oh, I could have packed the ham and cheese or something. Why didn't I do that? So the blonde, she's like, don't look at me. He packed his own lunch.